So, the upcoming release of Google's Pixel 8a has captured the attention of tech enthusiasts worldwide, as the company gears up to unveil it at the highly anticipated Google I/O 2024 event scheduled for next month. Over the past few weeks, a plethora of leaks and rumors have surfaced, providing eager consumers with tantalizing details about the smartphone's features and specifications. Of particular interest is the purported price of the Pixel 8a, which has been making rounds online, hinting at a slightly higher cost compared to previous iterations of Google's budget-friendly Pixel 8 series smartphones. Serving as the successor to last year's Pixel 7a, the Pixel 8a is expected to introduce several AI-related enhancements, elevating its functionality and user experience to new heights. Reports from Passionate Geeks have shed light on the pricing of Pixel 8a in Canada, where a retailer listed the 128GB storage variant at $708.99, which is around $515, and the 256GB model at $792.99, which is around $575. However, the identity of the retailer remains undisclosed. As for availability, indications suggest that the Pixel 8a will be accessible through Google Fi Wireless in the USA. Rumors surrounding the specifications of the Pixel 8a suggest that it will be powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip, which also drives the Pixel 8 series smartphones, enabling advanced AI capabilities on the device. However, there is speculation regarding whether the Pixel 8a will offer the same level of compatibility as its higher-priced counterparts. Anticipated to feature a 6.1 inches OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, the Pixel 8a is expected to support both 5G and 4G LTE connectivity, mirroring the capabilities of its predecessor. Additionally, leaks indicate that the Pixel 8a will sport a dual-camera setup, comprising a 64-megapixel primary camera and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. Moreover, the device is rumored to boast an IP rating for dust and water resistance, along with support for wireless charging, further enhancing its appeal to consumers seeking a feature-rich smartphone experience. In conclusion, excitement surrounding the Google Pixel 8a continues to mount as leaks and rumors provide valuable insights into its pricing, features, and specifications. With its imminent debut at the Google I/O 2024 event, the Pixel 8a promises to deliver an exceptional smartphone experience, blending affordability with cutting-edge technology, and reaffirming Google's position as a leading player in the competitive smartphone market. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.